How to delete your Roblox account on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device. Here, make sure that you are signed in to the account that you want to delete and then tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. Here you will see the option for settings, so tap on the settings option and now tap on privacy and content restrictions option you see there. Further, in this particular interface, go ahead and tap on the account data, deactivation and deletion option you see there. And now in this particular interface, you will see a bunch of options. So tap on the delete option right beside the delete account option you see there, and in the interface that you will be led to tap on delete again. Make sure that deleting your account is permanent and it cannot be reversed. So once you tap on the delete option, your account will be processed for deletion, and once the verification is complete, your account will be deleted. So this was about how you can delete your Roblox account on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.